And I'm actually going to get right into it. And you really want to know how. You know, how can I blaze my own path? How can I be successful? How can I follow the path that someone else has laid for me to be successful?
What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. My name is James Jernigan, also known as the Free State Flipper. I want to thank you for clicking on this video because I know there's a lot of channels here on YouTube and you got limited time to spend watching videos. So I want to welcome you to my channel once again. My name is James Jernigan and I'm the Free State Flipper here in Baltimore, Maryland. And on this channel, I talk about all things making money online, selling on places like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, Mercari, OfferUp, LetGo, Depop, you name it. I'm trying to sell stuff on it, and I want to take you along for the ride with me. So I want to share with you guys my wins and my losses. That's what this channel is all about. I'm hoping you guys can learn from my mistakes. You can see what's working for me, apply it to your business, start making more money online. And if any of you guys are here local to the Baltimore, Maryland area, I want you to drop a comment down below and let me know that you're watching. And maybe one day we can link up and do some thrifting or collaborate and find some way to make money together. But anyways, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you learned something. And if you could do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below, that's going to help my channel out a lot. And it's also going to let you know when I upload new videos. So if you want to take it one step further, you can go ahead and hit that bell right there. And then you'll get instant notifications every time I upload a video. So hopefully this helps. And if nothing else, I hope you find it entertaining. And once again, I want to thank you for coming by my channel. And a special shout out to you guys who are already subscribed because you're what it's all about. Without you guys, there would be really no point to me making these videos. And it does take time to put all this stuff together. I don't know if you guys noticed this new background here behind me, trying out a green screen effect. And I got a lot more stuff like that coming to keep this channel engaging and entertaining and all that. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next video.